Hello, public speakers. Instructions for week 4. 2 key learning objectives. Prepare and deliver your informative speech. And secondly, recognize communication apprehension and identify techniques to manage it. All right, so let's scroll down to our checklist. Your reading assignment this week is Chapter 2, Building Your Confidence as a Speaker. This supports the learning objective, recognize communication apprehension and identify techniques to manage it. And there is a corresponding 5-point quiz you will find on this link. Your primary focus this week, as you know, is to deliver and post your informative speech. When we click this link, it drives us directly into the discussion forum. It will work. There it is. And here is where you will post your speech. Just as you did in week 1 when you posted your welcome video, you will record yourself delivering the speech and then post it to the discussion forum. Okay, there is some further instructions here. Please be sure and read carefully. Review the grading rubric as well as watch the video, which explains how points are earned in the speech. Once you post your link, if you choose to submit a YouTube link, please be sure that the privacy setting is either unlisted or public. I am unable to view a private link. Unlisted is preferred because it maintains your privacy, only allowing those you share the link with to view. Otherwise, public is for all eyes to see. Okay, most importantly, make sure the webcam is on you. This is all about you. I want you to earn full credit for your gestures, your movement, and everything. And the more we see of you, the better. Reminder, no PowerPoint for this speech. This is the very basics of public speaking. I want to see you. And then be sure to attach your outline into the forum as well. Okay, so you will post your speech here and then you will watch and reply to 3 of your classmates' speeches. Please respond with positive feedback and most importantly, be specific. Tell the speaker what specifically they did that worked well or was very effective. And I've given you some samples to guide your replies as well. Okay, please be in touch with any questions. I look forward to watching your informative speeches. Have a great week.